Here's how to scrape the reviews of Airbnb without any coding knowledge. For this, we'll use the Airbnb scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, go to Reviews. Then press on the extension. And press Extract Listing Reviews. As you can see, we extracted the reviews in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you extract. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here's the data we extracted. You can also change the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page. Then scrape your data again. Then, make sure this pop-up is open and press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here is our new customized data.